Yan na yan. Ito na yan.
Walang ingkop.
Siyempre, gagawin na. Sundan. Ka-program yan. Ayan. Alam mo.
Yung may sense.
Maganda. Buhanin niya lahat yung mga
Okay. Kiddos.
Pre, nagkagawa ng baybahayan yung mga anak mo doon.
Yung mga naglalaro ng Lego dyan. Ginawan Lego. Yung mga gym equipment natin. Be careful, girls.
Oh, good.
Let's go. Mangune versus Aquino.
White ball, white ball.
White ball.
Agaw ka agad dito.
First 2, 4, and 7 is still Arturo. Gabi Torres. 2 points. Manarag. Technical.
Warning, warning, warning. Warning.
That's technical. We don't have any warning on the jerseys because before we start, we normally... That's technical. You're late already. That's technical. Before we start the game, we remind you already to tuck in your shirts. Okay, 6-0. Wilson. No good. Rebound by Aquino. Egan. Lays up. No good. Palo by Aquino. No good. Mangune. 2, Sanchez. Gabi Torres, short, pass break, no good. Rebound by Mangune. Blocking foul. Number 2, Aquino. First personal foul. Sanchez to Wilson. No good. Ancero to Magallanes. Magallanes. 10 to shoot. To Ancero for 3. No good. Follow up by Gabi Torres. Mataganas to King Paul. Mangune. 10 to shoot. Sanchez to Manarang. On the side. Drop. First to by Mark Manarang. Agar the Sun. No good. Rebound by Mangune. Foul. Agar Torres. Number 7. First foul on Agar Torres. 2 team fouls for BCIE. Jump ball. BCIE ball. David to Monty Magallanes. Losing the ball, no good. Press 14 for BCIE. Monty, no good.
Sige, thank you ah.
Blocking foul on number 16, Mataganas. Two free throws for Gavin Torres. Manarang, no good. Sanchez on 15, no good. Pass break 2. Agar Torres, too strong. Almost steal by Arturo Alcero. Mataganas to Tom Wilson. Pushing foul on number 7, Alcero. Substitution. Sorry. Yeah. Torres, Gavin pala, sorry. 7, yeah. Sorry. Agar Torres. Sorry. Foul on number 7, Agar Torres.
Good plus 2. Good plus 2 for Marias.
Let's do.
Yep. Nakad.
3 to shoot. No good. Navasquez. Drop 2. Steal by Mangune. Mataganas lays up, no good. Rebound by number 17. Steal by Jacolot, no good. Foul from behind by Jacolot. Jomly, 0. Holding foul. Number 15. Vicas. Timeout. BCI.
Maragay yung sa Legoland.
Ilang plus pa gusto mo? Just give it a break. Give it a break.
Nagastos yung 20 ni Carlo.
Hindi ka lang linis mo.
Lugi.
14 to shoot. Matagalas on the corner. To number 19 Presente. To Galang, traveling. Traveling on number 17. Vicas. 2. Holding foul. Presente, number 19. First personal foul on number 19. 13 fouls for Marias. Now Vasquez for 3 on the side, no good. Rebound by Galang. Sanchez, jump, no good. Fresh 14. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Mangune. 5 seconds. Follow up by Sanchez, number 26. Number 25, no good. Galang. Still by number 26. Pass break to Jomly. Kabugsanon. First 2 points for Jomly. Blocking foul. Number 1. Charles Vasquez. Mataganas to Sanchez. Mangune. Be careful. Foul number 1 na Vasquez.
Hindi ako nakain.
Two for 2 for King Paul Mangune. Gavin Torres. Una Vasquez. Na Vasquez. 2 points. Time out for Marias.
Hindi ka kasi.
Mataganas to Sanchez. 2 points for number 26, Sanchez. Vikas. Loose ball foul on number 15, Vikas. Second personal foul on number 15. Warning for penalty. DCIE. Mataganas to Galang. Galang, no good. Vasquez. Gavin Torres. Steal by Vasquez. No good.
Naiiwan na.
Mangune.
Basket ka.
Pushing foul, basket count, number 3. Gavin Torres, substitution, next 5. Next 5. Substitution.
lang natalo, yung Maria, kasi nang pumanap sa counterpunch.
Shooter siya ba? Shooter siya.
Hindi ka lagi mo na panalo eh.
Bonus free throw for Mangune. Substitution.
Good, all good.
Vasquez for 3. No good. Rebound by Madaran. All 15. Galang. No good. Edgar Torres. Edgar Torres, 2 points.
Now,
Time out for Maria.
pasok sila kay. Lukanuhin mo kasi. Oo. Para kayong dalawa lang kakaintindihan. Alam mo, busy doon, oh. Para maguluhan. Para maguluhan.
Takbo.
Presente. Foul. Foul number 7. Agar Torres. That's his third personal foul on Agar Torres. Presente on the free throw line. First shot, no good.
Wala na kasi superstar.
Minutes, 40 seconds for our first up. Agar, 40, Magallanes on the side, no good. Rebound by Galang.
Yan na, naiwan na.
To Sanchez. Mark Malaran, drop 2. Last touch, white, blue ball. To shoot. Ponti. Back to the basket. To Arturo. Handshake foul.
Nadamay pa.
Foul number 19. Presente.
Wala na yun eh.
That's his second personal foul on number 19.
At naswerte ng tumama na kayo. Ano na yun eh.
Ganun din naman sa free throw.
Sa bagay. Parehas lang pala lakay. Sabihin mo, parehas lang pala eh.
Torres for 3. No good. Rebound by wide ball. Sanchez.
And one na naman.
Sanchez layup. No good. Follow by Lisa. No good.
Patay na kay Charles yan. Veteran mo.
Na basket. No good. Plus 14.
Ganda.
Aquino. Offensive foul. Offensive foul number 2. Aquino. Tom Wilson.
Ay na ba? Lalo na siya. Baka mamatay siya dyan.
Arcero, 15. Short. Last 1 minute, 50 seconds for our first stop. 18-17. 1 point lead for Marias. Galang to Manarang to Sanchez. 15 to shoot. Presente for 3. No good. Good strong.
Sakay.
Foul on Sanchez, number 26. 2 free throws.
Matigas na si Ponti. Mana sa tatay yan eh. Lahat ng tigas ng katawan niya. Mana sa tatay yan. Ay, hindi. Kung nakakatayo, punta doon pupulutin mo lang. Nakatigit sa tatay.
Malarang. Steal.
Yan na,
To
Ponte!
Conti. Conti Magallanes. 2 points for Conti Magallanes. Steal by Lancero.
Yun lang!
Turo to Aquino.
Pass.
Aquino, 2 points. Last 23 seconds. Conti. Last 15 seconds.
Six to na tiniran yun lang yan.
5 seconds. Foul. Foul number. Wala number 4. 9 or 7?
7.
Ha? 9? Wala number 4. Number 4 yung nasa harapan. Number 9.
Kaya
Tom
formalitas
Wilson.
yun eh. Lahat yan, foul. 3.4.
Last 3 seconds. 20. For 3.
That's alright. 8 na rin.
25-18. 7-point lead for PCIe.
Turo, pag-asa ng bayan, si Turo.
Gagraduate lahat yan.
Si Turo, ang pag-asa ng bayan. Yeah, thank you.
Sige, sige.
Jamoy. Balik si Turo! Balik si Turo! Oo, si Turo lang ang nagbigay ng...
Clear chick.
Arturo yung nagbigay ng buhay sa kanila, ito nating run yun eh.
Still ano?
Yung sipag ni Turo, pinakinabangan.
Sabi yun, no? Dalawa, tatlo yung kanya.
Oo.
First kanya, first quarter na yan.
Bayaan lang nilang tumira si Turo.
Natin. Isa na lang yung lamang ng ulan.
Ito nating run. Let's go, Red.
Okay, okay.
White ball, white ball, white ball. White ball, white ball.
Alis naman siya.
Blue ball.
May third ice pa next.
I-message kita. I-check ko. Alam ko meron pa.
Gavin Torres.
Nakakuha tayo ng rhythm yung blue. Ay ka kay Turo. Ay ka kay Turo.